Why Squid Game Season 2, TV series on Netflix, never shown traditional Korean dish bibimbap. Honestly speaking, during the first season of Squid Games, I was waiting that they will show at least for a couple seconds this traditional Korean dish bibimbap in one of the episodes. Now, after 3 years of waiting, I was watching Squid Games Season 2 and thought that at least here they will show a couple scenes with bibimbap. But again, nothing. The only thing left is to wait for Season 3.
Hello everyone and welcome to Lounging with Lenny. In this video episode, I'll show you how to make Korean dish bibimbap. So stay tuned, make sure to watch the video to the end, and as always, enjoy.
So let's start with making bibimbap sauce. In a bowl, combine 5 tablespoons of gochujang paste, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, squeeze 1 garlic clove with garlic press, and add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix it with a whisk and put it in the fridge. And believe me that this bibimbap sauce is not only great for bibimbap, but will go well with chicken wings, pan-seared fish, even add it to the burger. Use it for anything you like. If I were you, I would double or even triple this recipe. I got 1.5 pounds of beautiful flank steak. Make sure to cut it thin and always against the grain. Otherwise you will end up with a chewy meat, and we don't want that. Transfer the meat into the bowl and let's marinate it. Press 3 garlic cloves with the garlic press. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, you can use dark or light, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix it and put it aside. And now let's prep the vegetables. Take 1 onion and cut it into the wedges. Transfer it into the bowl and put it aside. Get 2 washed bok choy, cut the ends off, and cut each bok choy into 8 pieces. Bibimbap is a Korean rice dish that means mixed rice. It's made with a bowl of warm rice, topped with vegetables, beef or any other protein of your choice, topped with a fried egg, and of course bibimbap sauce. Get 1 zucchini, cut it lengthwise into quarters, and cut the seeds off. By the way, I do not have a lot of experience cooking Korean food, so if you have any tips, techniques or comments, please feel free to let me know in comments down below. Cut the zucchini into pieces like that. Take 1 carrot, wash it, peel it, and cut it into matchsticks. Take 8 ounces of shiitake mushrooms, cut off the stems. They're tough and chewy, so we're just gonna get rid of it. Cut the mushrooms in half and slice it. And now let's start cooking. Preheat the wok to high heat, pour some vegetable oil and saute the shiitake mushrooms for about 2 minutes. Squeeze 1 garlic clove in. Mix it and pour 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Transfer ready mushrooms into the sheet pan. Into the same pot, we're gonna add some more vegetable oil and saute the onions for approximately 1 minute, just to partially cook it and give it a nice color. Next, I will saute the zucchini, add them into the wok, season it with some salt and saute it for about 2 minutes. All the vegetables I'm transferring into the same sheet pan. Saute carrots, season them with some salt, mix it. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and saute carrots for about 2 minutes. Next is bok choy. Add them into the wok. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Press 2 garlic cloves. Pour 1 tablespoon of water. Cover it with a lid and let it steam for 2 minutes. 2 minutes passed and bok choy is ready. It's not necessary to cook the vegetables in the wok. You can definitely use pot or saute pan of your choice. Into the same wok, add 1 bunch of spinach. Make sure to wash it and cut off the stems. It looks like it's a lot, but you know, when you cook the spinach, you will end up with almost nothing. It will significantly shrink. Press 1 garlic clove in, season it with some salt, mix it, Cook it for about 1 minute and transfer it into the colander. Make sure to get rid of all this water. Pour some vegetable oil into the wok. Make sure that the wok is hot. Add 8 ounces of bean sprouts. Press 1 garlic clove in. Pour 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. And 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Saute it for 2 minutes and transfer it into the colander to get rid of extra liquid. All the vegetables are sauteed, and now let's sear the steak. Make sure to preheat the wok to very high heat and saute the meat by batches to get the best results. The cooking time for the meat will be approximately 2 minutes. And transfer the steak into the sheet pan. And the last important step is to fry the egg. Take a pan, add some vegetable oil in, crack in 1 large egg, season it with some salt and cook it until it's done, but make sure that the egg is runny. And now let's assemble bibimbap. Traditionally this dish is served in Korean bowl, but I don't have it, so I decided to plate it into the plate. Take 1 cup of rice, make sure that it's short grain rice. Warm it up and put it in the middle of the plate. Take a spoon and create a nest. There is no rules about the order of the vegetables get placed on the rice. It's all up to you. Add some shiitake mushrooms, onions, carrots, zucchini, spinach, bean sprouts, bok choy. Top it with some soy sauce. Pour about 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Add some sesame seeds on top and bibimbap sauce. Add the steak in the middle, some more sauce on top of it, top it with a fried egg, some more bibimbap sauce and sesame seeds. And my bibimbap is ready. Make sure to mix everything before eating and enjoy it. And for the producers of Squid Game, if you watch this episode, please consider adding bibimbap into Squid Game's Season 3.
Outstanding, beautiful dish. I love it.